what do we have for today? We have ikats, beautiful silk ikat dupattas. Let me show you one of this. Very pretty ikat dupatta, silk ikat dupatta. We have a lot more updated in the website, and we've also got beautiful ikat saris that are loaded in the website. Please log on to www.shrootseternity.com. Under Silk Room, you'll find a tab called Ikat. Please click on the tab to look at all the ikat saris that we have. If you'd like to see more of these dupattas, there'll be a link called Salwar. Please click on that and you'll find ikat dupattas. Please click on the tab to look at all the dupattas that we have.
Moving on to sari number 2, priced at 4,690. 4690, sari number 2.
Next, we have a very pretty mustard with a self-striped and a double-shaded light pink border pallu and blouse.
Ramya, all these are pure Kanjivaram silk.
Lightweight Kanjivarams. You would rather call it lightweight Kanjivarams.
Yeah, Vinita, sure, it will be available after 2 months as well.
The borders of the sari have manga jari woven buttas. The whole body has nice floral jari buttas. Very elegant sari. Jari buttas in a double-shaded pink pallu and a self-striped pink color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 2, priced at 4,690, 4,690. Mrs. Pujita, you can directly buy from the website. The link will be posted in the comment section for your reference. But please click on it after the session is over. Only then it will be updated with all the saris that we are showing in the live today. Alright, moving on to sari number 3, priced at 5,990, 5,990.
This is a peacock green with the pink combination.
Thank you, Jayanti.
So the borders of the sari have nice purple border with man buttas. The whole body has nice jari woven floral buttas in it. And it comes with a pink color butta woven pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Alright,
Very
this
pretty
is
color combination.
sari number 3, priced at 5,990. Moving on to sari number 5, priced at 7,490, 7,490. Hi Pravina, thanks for joining. Hi
This
Mrs.
is a
Iyengar,
light
thanks for joining.
orangish pink with pink combination. The borders of the sari have leaf buttas and the whole body has tiny jari woven floral buttas in it.
Hi Sindhu, thanks for
Very
joining.
pretty sari. A butta style pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari number 5, priced at 7,490, 7,490. Moving on to sari number 10, priced at 7,680, 7,680.
This is a sky blue with a dark pink. Comes with plain pink color borders on either side of the sari. The whole body has minute checkered patterns along with silver jari woven buttas all over the body. And it comes with a dark pink color jari pallu and a fully jari woven pink color blouse. A very rich sari.
Alright, this is sari number 10, priced at 7,680. Neha, yes, we ship to the US. Malini, we have a few ikat cottons. It is under the signature cotton section in our website. Yeah, Kirti, you can directly buy from the website. Pune, we are located in Chennai, T Nagar. In Naga Sudha, it is Shru's Eternity. Okay, moving on to sari number 11, priced at 7,980, 7,980.
This is a nice pink with
Thank
a
you,
black
Nidhi.
combination. Thin strip of gold jari border on either sides of the sari. The body is left quite plain. The lower half of the sari has a beautiful black color border with very pretty woven buttas which has got both gold and silver in it. Very intricately woven buttas. A very rich pallu in black and a plain black color blouse. Beautiful sari.
Alright, this is sari number 11, priced at 7,980, 7,980. Kirti, it will be updated right after the session is over. So please stay tuned, enjoy the show, and then proceed to buy from the website directly. Kavita, the one that she's wearing is priced at 9,250. Thank you, Chinmay. Yeah, Manu, the link has been posted in the comment section. It has been pinned for your reference, but please click on it after the session is over. Okay, moving on to sari number 12, priced at 8,650, 8,650.
A cream color base with jari woven floral buttas all over the body. The borders of the sari have a nice woven border, and just above that you have multicolor dyed borders on either side of the sari in red and green. And this comes with a jari pallu in red and a plain red color blouse. Very classy sari.
Sari number 12, priced at 8,650. Hi, Mrs. Apadi. Thank you, Lata. Okay, moving on to sari number 16. Priced at 9,280. 9280.
Very pretty black with pink combination. Very rich sari. The whole body has jari woven wavy patterns, as you can see. It runs along the body. Comes with pink color borders on either sides along with jari border. A very pretty jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Alright, sari number 16, priced at 9,280. 9280. Sashi, you can directly buy from the website. The link has been given in the comment section. It has been pinned for your reference. But please click on it after the session is over. Hi Geeta, thanks for joining. Smita, we don't take customized orders. At the moment at least.
Next
Moving
we
on
have a
to-
Rama green
Sari number 23, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
with violet combination. Again a very different color combination. The lower half of the saree has a checkered border with ornamental patterns. And this comes with a beautiful jari pallu and a plain violet color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 23. Priced at 7,980. 7,980. Moving on to sari number 25, priced at 7,980.
Again, very rich saree. I think it's the same design but a different color combination. It's a peacock green with purple. Floral and peacock buttas in the borders. The whole of the body has beautiful brocade designs and a purple color jari pallu. An extremely rich purple color blouse.
This is sari number 25, priced at 7,980. Yeah, Mrs. Bindu, we are sorry for the delay. We are not sure which order ready you're talking about. Please let us know the order ready. We'll definitely check and get back to you. Moving on to sari number 26, priced at 13,750.
From here on, it's going to be bridal conjurance. First, we have onion pink with a dark biscuit shade.
Thank you, Sanjukta. Hi,
Very, very
Indira.
classy color combination. Beautiful reticule borders on either side of the saree with peacocks. The whole of the body has nice tiny jari woven silver buttas. A very pretty jari pallu and a fully jari woven blouse. Extremely rich in a different saree.
Yeah, this is sari 26, priced at 13,750. Yeah, Divya, we are running a 5% off this whole month. Hi, Amrita, thanks for joining. Okay, moving on to sari number 27, priced at 14,250. Sari number 27, 14,250.
Extremely rich mustard with pink combination. The whole body has a beautiful box patterns along with manga buttas. The borders of the saree have beautiful woven pattern in the upper portion. The lower half has nice floral buttas. An intricately designed pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Yes, sari number 27, priced at 14,250. Hi, Shweta, thanks for joining. Hi, Suma. Nirmala, it is about 2.5 hours max. Yeah,
Next,
Mrs.
we
Raj,
have a deep purple
all these will be put up in the link. The link has been posted in the comment section.
a deep purple with a bottle green combination. Very pretty woven borders on either sides of the saree. The whole of the body has chakra and peacock buttas in thread. Very different woven borders on either sides. And a very rich pallu. Beautifully woven pallu. And a plain bottle green color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 28, priced at 14,350.
This is a nice mandala green with a deep green combination. It's got reticule borders on either side of the saree, as you can see. Very pretty thin strip of gold jari lines running along the body. And it comes with a very traditional pallu and a dark green color blouse. Very pretty saree.
Alright, this is sari number 30, priced at 15,850. Okay, starting with sari number 32, priced at 13,850.
more like soft silk, but it's got very heavy design as you get in your bridal conjugalums.
Thank you, Bindu.
But the material feels really soft and it is very easy to carry.
Hi,
This is a
Rashmi.
dark pink with green combination. So all the Venkatagiris that we've got in store has beautiful designs. The whole of the body has overall Jaryovan buttas. It's very close to your bridal conjugaram designs. So this is going to be a pink. Beautiful woven borders on either side of the saree. The lower half has a bigger border. The whole body has Jaryovan buttas in both gold and silver. And this comes with a contrast fluorescent green color jari pallu with silver jari and a plain green color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 32. Price at 13,850. Hi, Rajeshwari. Hi. Thank you, Sashi. Thanks, Ajani. Divya, it will take about 2 to 3 working days maximum for delivery within Tamil Nadu.
Again, a very rich saree. It's a nice baby pink with candy pink combination. It's got tissue in the whole body that makes it more rich.
Yeah, this is saree 33. Price at 14,950.
Extremely rich saree. It's a nice baby pink with checkered patterns, which has got beautiful floral buttas, and the borders also has nice floral buttas in it. A very pretty candy pink color jari pallu and a nice pink color tissue blouse. The whole body has tissue that gives you the sheen.
Alright, this is saree number 33. Price at 14,950. Hi, Jyoti. Thanks for joining. Thank you, Radha.
I have another color variant in the same design. This is going to be a beige with candy pink.
Yeah, Santosh Girish, the work on the blouse is about 3,800. Hi, Suja. Thanks for joining. Alright, moving on to saree number 34. Price at 14,950. 14,950.
A beige with candy pink. Beautiful checkered patterns all over the body in tissue. Woven borders on either sides. A very pretty Jaryovan, silver Jaryovan pallu in pink and a tissue blouse.
Saree number 34. Price at 14,950. Moving on to saree number 35. Price at 14,950. Hi, Sangamitra. Thanks for joining.
This is a beautiful green. It's a nice sea green with a mustard combination. The borders of the saree have woven borders. The whole of the body has very pretty checkered patterns with Jaryovan buttas. An extremely rich mustard pallu, jari pallu, and a checkered mustard color blouse. Beautiful color combination.
Saree number 35. Price at 14,950.
I think you have enjoyed today's video. So please stay tuned to our page and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more interesting videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye-bye.